In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Outgrow lead alerts, a feature that can massively improve your lead generation and tracking process. If you're new to Outgrow, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be setting up lead alerts like a pro. Before we dive into the setup, let's quickly talk about why this is so important. Outgrow is a powerful tool for creating interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and assessments. But what makes it even more powerful is the ability to capture leads directly from those interactive pieces. And the lead alerts feature ensures you never miss an opportunity to follow up. Now, let's jump into setting up your lead alerts step by step. When you first log into your Outgrow account, head over to the Leads tab on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a section dedicated to your lead alerts, and this is where you can set everything up to ensure you get notified whenever someone submits their information. Once you're on the lead alert page, you'll need to enable alerts for your content. You'll be asked to select which pieces of content you want to track for leads, whether it's a quiz, calculator, or survey. Simply check the boxes next to the content you want to set up alerts for. Next, you'll configure the alert settings. This includes choosing who will receive the alerts. You can set this up to send the lead alerts to your team or yourself. You have the option to input multiple email addresses here, so you can ensure that the right person gets the right notifications immediately. After setting up who gets the alerts, you can also customize the content of the email alerts. Outgrow gives you flexibility here. You can decide which lead details to include, whether it's just their name and email, or more detailed information like their answers to quiz questions or specific interests they've shown. Customizing the email content ensures you have the relevant info right at your fingertips. Now here's the game changer. Outgrow lead alerts are real-time. This means the moment someone submits a lead on your interactive content, you'll get an instant notification. This is crucial because timing matters in lead generation. Being able to act quickly can make all the difference. You'll also have the option to send these alerts via SMS in addition to email. This can be a great feature if you need to make sure you're seeing those leads even when you're on the go. To enable SMS alerts, just enter your phone number and you're all set. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that setting up Outgrow lead alerts can be done in a matter of minutes, but the impact it can have on your lead management strategy is huge. Not only will you stay on top of new leads, but you'll also be able to take immediate action, nurturing them while they're still fresh. And here's something special for you. If you want to try out Outgrow with all these powerful features, including the lead alerts, you can sign up using the first link in the description below to get an exclusive extended free trial. This is a great opportunity to explore how Outgrow can work for you and see firsthand the impact of timely lead alerts. Make sure to check that out if you're serious about improving your lead generation process. Thanks for watching.